Have you ever put your blood, sweat, and tears into creating a piece of content to then post it and to hear crickets? If you are a creator or a business owner and you post content online, I'm pretty sure this has happened to you numerous times. Taking hours to record and film a piece of content to then post it and to then hear crickets. Like, nobody engages, your post just completely flops. That is why one of the most critical aspects of being on social media, posting and creating content is going to be building an audience and creating visibility. Without an engaged audience, your content is definitely going to go unnoticed. So in today's video, we are going to explore effective strategies and practical steps that you guys can take to build an engaging audience. So this video is going to be perfect if you are a content creator, if you're looking to become a content creator, if you're a business owner, or if you are interested in becoming a business owner. Everything is content. If you want to get sales for your business, you have to promote on social media. If you want to be a content creator, you have to post and promote yourself on social media. Everything is social media, and it boils down to content and having an audience. First step you want to do is define your audience. Define who your audience is. This step is the first step and is definitely important. It's the most important step because you need to define who you are creating this content for. You cannot create content if you don't know who you're making it for. What are their demographics? What are their wants and what are their needs? Knowing who your target audience is going to allow you to tailor your content and engage with your audience efficiently. So the second step to building an audience on social media is going to be to create compelling and valuable content. Content is king. So you definitely want to be creating high quality, valuable content. Your content has to provide some type of unique perspective. If you're doing vlogs, then you as a person, you are unique. If you're creating beauty tutorials, do it in a unique way because everybody does beauty tutorials. You have to figure out a way that you can make it compelling and make it authentic to yourself. If you're creating educational content that is going to solve problems and provide value for people, this is where people are going to learn to turn to you for those problems because they know that whatever you say is going to provide them with value, which in return is going to help you to build trust with your community, which is exactly what you want. Like, you guys trust me, don't you? So on top of defining who your target audience is, you have to figure out which platform your target audience is on the most. So if you are a person who are targeting a younger audience, of course you would be using TikTok. If you're a person who are targeting middle age and it could be teenagers, you're going to be on Instagram, which is the highest converting app. Instagram, that's why everybody rants and raves about Instagram, because Instagram is the highest converting app, meaning that if you post something on Instagram or if you're marketing your services on Instagram, Instagram is the one app that is going to guarantee you sales. So that's why everybody swears by Instagram. So, and also if you are marketing your products or your services to older people, mature people are your target audience, then you want to be on Facebook. So on these platforms, you want to be sure that you're posting daily. You're also engaging with your audience. You want to build a community with them. You just don't want to be the type of person who is posting and going viral and not interacting with your audience. That is not going to help you build some type of community. People are not going to feel like they belong. People are not going to feel like they need to watch you every day, which is exactly what you want. So remember, consistency and authenticity is going to be your main key. That kind of rhymes. The fourth step is going to be to optimize your social media platforms for SEO. I'm not sure if you guys have heard, but most of these platforms nowadays, they change. They evolve all the time. Like literally every month the platform is changing. The algorithm is changing. How it works is changing. Now all of these platforms are leaning more towards SEO. Before it was like only YouTube who focused on SEO, but now it's all of these platforms. So you want to be sure that you are optimizing your social media posts in your description, in your captions, in the actual video. You want to keep speaking that main title word, like how this video is for how to build an audience. You want to continuously say how to build an audience because they're able to pick up on that, and that is a part of SEO. It's optimizing your video for search. So the fifth and the last step I would love to give you guys is to reach out and collaborate with other creators. So this is going to help you gain visibility, especially if you're working with someone who is in the same niche as you are. So you guys will be literally sharing audience. So if you have this amount of audience and they have this amount, their audience is going to go to your page and yours to hers. And that is how you do a successful collaboration. I've done many of them. So back in the days, people weren't really open to doing collaborations, but now times have changed and people are starting to become open to doing collaborations. So definitely reach out and ask someone if they'll be interested in cross promoting. Maybe you guys could go live together. All of that is collaboration. That is going to be it for today's video. 5 steps that you guys can take to start to build your audience on social media. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Be sure to subscribe, share this video with someone it might help. You guys, social media is key. I don't care if you're selling services, if you're a business, if you're a brick and mortar, social media is key. Why limit yourself to just people that you come in contact with every day as to where you can get on the internet and you can reach billions of people. On the internet, you reach billions of people. Like, the internet goes further than the word of mouth or like whatever is in your town or your friends and family. Get on social media, you guys. Get on social media. So that's it for today's video. I'll catch you guys in the next video. We are now back to posting twice a week because I'm trying to challenge myself. My channel here has not been growing as I would like it to. So now I'm upping my posting up to 2 times a week, which is probably going to be on Saturdays and Wednesdays. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Until next time, you guys. Peace and much love. Bye.